It's been a long winter. We had to reimagine what it means to be alive, to see friends and family, to be connected. So we looked inward and asked ourselves, what's important in this life? Where does happiness come from? What fuels the soul when everything is changing? And we found the answers in open spaces, mountain vistas, desert playas, winding rivers, mountain roads, dusty plains, canyon rims, and the sunlight that rises each morning and sets in the evening. As we look towards a time when we can return to the things that filled our days before everything changed, we remember that we are changed. We remember that through the darkest days, the tears, and the inescapable forces at work in the world, we found something. Something that now we have, we cannot let go of. We found audacity in the moment, comfort in the unfamiliar, inspiration in nature, joy in simplicity, gratitude for our tribe of fellow adventurers, dreamers, and do-gooders, and freedom in the roads we took. And from now on, we will venture to roam those roads and connect in a different way to the world around us. The answers are out there, and you can bet we'll be out there looking for them.